Evening, sir. So I create the program in website programming C Sharp online compiler in my phone because I don't have a laptop or PC pa. So let's start po. First, I declare class program the name of the program. Then after nun, yung curly brace po. Curly brace to contain program itself. Then static void main as entry po for the program. And curly brace. And nag-declare po ako ng variables. 5 variables po, integer. And nag-create po ako ng name ng vegetables po. Naglagay pa ako ng name ng mga vegetables like carrots. I gave it a value of 5 for the carrots and tomatoes 7, potatoes 10, onions 3, eggplants 12. And dito naman po, nag-create po ako ng variables ng mga vegetables na ginawa ko po dito sa integer. Naglagay pa ako ng integer, carrots, tomatoes, potatoes, onions, eggplants, and int product, carrots, tomatoes, onions, eggplants. Ayan. Dito naman po, and then dito po is the output na the system console write line and $sign to show the variable inside the string and the product and pag niran po natin ang lalabas po is the sum is 37 and the product is 12,600.